Alright, this is a Casablanca Marquis from 1993. The tag is inside the switch cap here. It has the Marquis name on it. Has the older badge style blades. You can see the blades aren't in the best shape. You see the finish here is kind of coming away. Badge style, bump tip, yeah, white and brass. I had a newer one of these from 1995. It was renamed the Montclair by that point, but it had the same model number and everything like that. Let's make sure we're all fine and good here. It is IntelliTouch, so if the camera has numerous focusing issues, I'm not going to be able to see them that well. So I do apologize for that. Point the screen this way. Should have thought this out beforehand, but oh well. Start off with demo mode, I guess. And I do believe this is RMM3. Gotta see where it's pointing at. Here, I think that'll do. Yeah, it's either really, really late RMM2 or very, really, really early RMM3. Because I do believe RMM3 was introduced in 1993. So, and it works well with W11. So I'm assuming it's 2, but I don't know. I haven't opened it up to find out. But anyway. Give it a boost, and we'll start off on low. So yeah, this is one of the early to mid 90s contemporary models. Not a whole lot of them sold. They're pretty hard to come across. The white and brass ones especially are the most common variants. Occasionally you'll see a white one. Very rarely you'll see a black one. I believe they also came in antique brass. Early on they had a very rare polished brass one with a K4S kit. That was a designer's choice model, I believe. I think Brandon has one, but I might be wrong. Obviously, it's 4-5 blade adaptable because it's an early 90s Casa. Well, really, any Casa was 4-5 blade adaptable through the really late 80s all the way through the rubber flywheel era of the 2000s. The flywheel is noticeably warped, but it's not failing from what I saw when I put it up, so for now it'll hold. It sucks I can't turn the screen around more. It's a little better. This looks much better with a 4-blade configuration in my opinion. I think we're up to speed 4 now, which is a solid medium. I don't know why I'm talking about this now, since this video will release way after National Ceiling Fan Day of 2023, but I don't know, I'm just used to commentary like this, but there won't be a National Ceiling Fan Day video in my house, I believe, because during National Ceiling Fan Day I'll actually be up at the museum with another collector doing more work, getting some more of Dan's fans down and putting more new fans up. So, that's exciting. Maybe if I have time I'll do a National Ceiling Fan Day video at the museum. Alright, enough of me talking, let's go to speed 5. And full tilt. Also, this moves a more significant amount of air with 4 blades because the load on the motor is less, moves faster, and more space in between the blades. That's one of the reasons I don't like 5 blades, is because they put more drag on the motor and there's less space in between the blades and it's slower. So some people like the look of 5 better. That's another reason why I don't like it. I just don't care for the look, even though I have 2 5-blade fans in here right now. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 4-blade fans, 1 6, and 2 5s. And yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fans hanging in here now. So look forward to videos of that. You might have saw some when I was getting you a look at the fan when I was adjusting the camera. Speaking of which, let's go up close. Yeah, you can see the warping I was talking about. And real quick, I guess I can run it through reverse. Yeah, I'll do that real quick. And you already saw high reverse during demo, so that'll be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. That is a 1993 Casablanca Marquis with 5 blades.